जहाँ तक कर्नाटक के इशू मूडा स्कैम और ये वाल्मीकि बोर्ड में जो हुआ है एसटी जनांग के एसटी समुदाय के जो लोगों का पैसा उनके एसटी समुदाय के उन्नतिकरण के लिए जो हमने पैसा रखने का बोर्ड में एक व्यवस्था है, उस पैसे को सरकार ने पूरा कर्नाटक सरकार ने इसका पूरा दुरुपयोग किया है। 189 crores was supposed to be transferred and out of that initially 89 crores ट्रांसफ़र करके जो मन में आते है उसको बांट के मोडस ऑपरेंडी एक किया है। अगर मेरे अकाउंट में और आपके अकाउंट में 10,000 रुपये वो भेजते हैं तो उसमें 2,000 रुपये जिसके अकाउंट में वो भेजेंगे वो रखना है। 8,000 रुपये सरकारी जो मंत्री वगैरह 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 जो है उनको वापस देना है। दिस वॉज द मोडस ऑपरेंडी। इट इज़ अ वेरी बिग स्कैम एंड SIT वॉज कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड, बट SIT कॉन्स्टिट्यूट होने के बावजूद भी जो मंत्री थे जिसका इस्तीफा लिया था मुख्यमंत्री ने बहुत प्रेशर के बाद, तो उनको इंक्वायरी को नहीं बुलाया, उनको अरेस्ट नहीं किया। जब ED ने एंटर किया, सिंस इट वॉज ए मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग केस, तब ED के ऊपर ही FIR करते हैं। एंड देयर इज ए इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर in Valmiki scam also, Valmiki board scam also. At the same time, in a Muda scam, that is Mysore Urban Development Authority scam, where he has in his wife's name 14 most valuable sites have been allotted. That is worth a few crores. And now Siddaramaiah is claiming my land they have taken over, but the land denotification was done and land was transferred in the name of Mr. Siddaramaiah's wife when it was developed and handed over to some individual beneficiaries, and sale deed was also executed. At that time, backdated, the land was the agricultural land was transferred in the name of Shrimati Siddaramaiah. Now question is, in 2013, he has not declared anything in his affidavit about this land. In 2018, he says its worth is around some 25 lakhs. In 2023, he says in affidavit which filed in his election that it is 25 crores. Now he is demanding 62 crores. तो स्वयं मुख्यमंत्री खड़े होके लूट रहा है कर्नाटक सरकार के पैसे को. दिस इज द इशू एंड आवर ऑल MLAs they wanted the discussion, but under the under the umbrella of it has already been given to judicial inquiry. I am not going to allow this. This is the attitude. Congress means corruption, corruption means Congress. That's why Siddaramaiah is very much afraid, because he himself involved in these two scams. This is a very major scam. How Congress operates as far as corruption is concerned, this is proven beyond doubt, and I think even Congress High Command has also some share in this.
So you are demanding his resignation?
Yes, of course, we have already demanded. Mr. Siddaramaiah should step down and entire this episode should be handed over to CBI. Now only the bank transaction related issues are transferred. I mean, bank has given the complaint and that is being handled by the CBI, and ED is handling the money laundering case, but in entirety it should be handed over to CBI, and Mr. Siddaramaiah should resign. This is our firm demand.